Hello everyone. Today we are going to begin a short guided hypnosis session, and this is specifically designed for students who are going through a constant pressure. This will help you to release this constant pressure, study stress, and overthinking. I would like you to imagine, but before imagining, I want you to take a deep breath from your nose and relax and release from your mouth. You are now safe and at peace, and this moment belongs to you only. Now, gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Once again, inhale calmness and exhale tension. With every breath, your mind and body are relaxing deeper and deeper. Your shoulders begin to soften. Your forehead smooths out. Your jaw unclenches and your heart starts to feel lighter. Now visualize yourself sitting in a quiet, steady space. The light is warm. The atmosphere is peaceful. There is no competition, no comparison. Only you and your focus. Your subconscious mind is entering a healing state now. Your brain is creating calm, balanced waves that restore your energy and inner harmony. Now, in your mind, repeat these words softly. I learn at my own pace. I am smart and capable. Every day I feel my growth. I perform from peace, not pressure. Now imagine a golden light glowing above your head. Slowly it moves down through your shoulders, chest, and heart, melting away every ounce of stress. This golden light fills you with calm, healing energy. It reminds you that you are enough, you are ready, and your mind is clear and strong. From now on, whenever you study, your subconscious will remember this calm state. You will focus easily without stress, without fear. Now take one final deep breath. Inhale confidence and exhale pressure. And when you are ready, slowly open your eyes, stretch your body gently, and smile. Your mind is now reset, ready to learn, ready to grow, ready to shine.